ألف همزة فتح
أعوذ
همزة
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. From the Hamza, no, from the last line, that's swad and sin, green color swad and next sin. You have
Yeah, sorry, the connection got bad again.
from your side, from my side.
I think from your, I'm not sure. I think from your side. I'm not sure.
Wait,
Uh,
strong signal, strong connection. Okay, from our side,
I,
strong connection showing. Okay, no issue. Service problem,
I
no
think
issue.
my WhatsApp has been acting bad all day.
No issue. Inshallah, will better. Okay.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صاد فتى صا صاد كسرة سوي صاد دم سو صا سوي سو سين فتى صا سين كسرة سي سين دم سو سا سي سو سو سي سا زا فتى زا زا كسرة زي زا دم زو زا زي زو زو زي زا ظا فتى ظا ظا كسرة زي ظا دم زو ظا زي زو زو زي ظا
Voa, vui, vu, bold, vu, vui, voa. This bold letter. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
No issue. One time I'll read it. Last letter. Voa.
زوا فتى زوا زوا كسرة زوي زوا دم زو زوا زوي زو زو سوي زوي زا
Nice. Next, please. Page 9. Scroll down.
ذا
Scroll down. Zal. Yeah. There's zal. Zal.
ذال فتى ذا ذال كسرة ذي ذال دم ذو ذا ذي ذو ذو ذي ذا
Nice.
ذا فتى ذا ذا كسرة ذي ذا دم ذو ذا ذي ذو ذو ذي ذا
You are reading which letter and how many dots on that?
3.
That's letter name.
I forgot.
Tha. T-H-A. Tha.
Tha.
Fatha tha. Tha kasra thi. Tha dhamma thu. Soft letter.
Tha thi thu thu thi tha
Okay, no issue. Continue, please. This tha, zal, and tha. Again, read.
ذا فتى ذا
Zal.
ذال فتى ذا ذال كسرة ذي ذال دم ذو ذال ذي ذو ذو ذي ذا
The, the, zu, the, the. Spellings is Z H A L. Z H
There's
A L. Zal. Soft letter.
soft. It sounds like it's that. That. It's
Uh,
bold.
no. Bold green letter. Bold was green letter. It's soft letter. Tip of your tongue. Focus on tip of your tongue. Touch upper middle to teeth tip.
That.
Ral. Ral. Tha.
That. Tha. That. The. Tha. The.
Yeah.
I hear that is bold.
Z H A L. Zal. Soft letter. Okay. Tha. After dal, which letter? Tha. Before zal and before dua. On page number 8, before this page, last letter. Page number 8, last letter was which letter? Dua.
Twa.
Thwa, no, dua. Which one?
Twa.
With one dot, dua. Without dot, thwa. It's with one dot, dua. Okay.
Twa.
Soft letter is
Okay.
3. Soft letter is 3. Tha, zal, dua. Its pronouncing place, same place. Which place? When you will touch tip of your tongue, upper middle to teeth. Upper middle to teeth tip. Tha, zal, dua. Tha, zal, dua. Whistle sound mixing is not allowed in soft letter. How many soft letters? 3. Which letters?
3.
Tha, zal, wa. Tha with 3 dots. Zal before with 1 dot. Wa green 1 dot. I think you understand now. Yeah. Same reading place, pronouncing place, same. Tip of your tongue, touch upper middle to teeth tongue. Teeth tip. Okay. Upper middle to teeth. Tip of your teeth. Touch your tongue tip.
The. The.
Mm-hmm.
The. The. That. The.
Yeah, please.
Where do you want me to start?
Okay, no issue.
Where do you want me to start?
I don't understand.
What letter do you want me to start on?
And now you start from the dua.
Okay. Zwa fatah zu. Zwa fatah zwa. Zwa kasra. Zwa damma zu. Zwa zui zu. Zu zui za.
Yeah, same place. Okay. Which place? Tip of your tongue.
Za.
Upper middle to teeth tongue. Tip.
Zwa.
Yeah.
Zwa.
Practicing
Zwa.
required. Only practice required. Also in your home. It's homework also, no issue. When you will free in your home, then give time.
Okay. Zwa zui zu. Zwa zui zu. Zwa zui zu.
Hmm.
Swazizu. 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 Swazizu.
Hmm.
Swazizu. 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 Zuzwizwa. Zwazizu. Zuzwizwa.
Hmm.
Zwazizu. Zuzwizwa. Zwazizu. 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 Zwazizu.
Hmm. Nice.
Zwazizu. 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 Swazizu. Swazizu.
Hmm. Next letter.
Zal fatha za. Zal kasra zi. Zal dhamma zu. Za zizu. Zu ziza.
Hmm. Nice. Next.
Sa. Sa fatha sa. Sa kasra zi. Za dhamma su. Za zizu. Zu ziza.
Hmm.
Fa fatha fa. Fa kasra fi. Fa dhamma fu. Fa fi fu. Fu fi fwa. Fu fi fa.
Hmm. Nice. I am sending you a picture. Wait. Focus on this. English. The makhraj was the tha, zal, and dwa. Okay.
Ta ta.
Yeah, this
Front tip
is
tongue
a
touch.
front tip of the tongue, touching the line of the top front two teeth. Okay. The makhraj was tha, zal, and sa. Upper picture.
Ta da
In upper
ta
picture, upper
da
side, first picture, teeth picture.
ta
Are you
ta
yeah?
da ta.
Can you open the picture?
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Nice. Please carefully.
Ta da ta.
Tha, zal, dwa. Tha, zal, dwa. From the last letter to first, go to beginning. Last letter is tha.
Zwa zai za.
For last letter is tha. Before that zal. Before that dwa.
Which picture am I looking at? I'm looking at the one with the mouth.
Yeah. Mouth picture only. Tha, zal, dwa. Okay. Tha, zal, dwa. That's place of reading. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's also your homework. Only give 2 5 minutes only in your home free time. Yeah. Okay. Come back on page of Qaida, page 9.
Wa. Wa fatha wa. Wa.
Please. Okay. You are reading well. Good. But don't touch to next letter. First you clear first tha dal dwa practice. After that we will touch to next letter. It's better for you. I understand. I your teacher. I give you a good suggestion, inshallah. Don't be sad.
Yes.
Don't worry. I am with you.
Mhm.
I will do you expert teacher, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Okay. Mhm.
Zwa fatha zwa. Zwa kasra zu. Zwa damma zu. Zwa zwi zu. Dhal fatha dha. Dhal kasra dhi. Dhal damma dhu. Dha dhi dhu. Tha fatha tha. Tha kasra thi. Tha damma thu. Tha thi thu. Thu thi
Hmm.
tha.
In karate, are you understand what's karate? Fighting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Karate, fighting, wrestling. Trainers is giving training to students. One training step in this training, uh, um, oh my student, teacher will order, oh my student, close your eyes, cover this student's eyes with a cloth, with a cloth. Okay,
Cloth.
cover this student's eyes cloth. And uh, this teacher also order to other students attack on this, and telling them, this teacher, this student, you blocked, you understand, they are
Mm-hmm.
hitting from which side. He is only listen attacker sound. Punch is from
Mm-hmm.
which side coming, kick is from which side coming. That's our blocking after some months he expert with closed eyes, fighting and blocking attacks expert.
Mm-hmm.
I want i want my all students will listen from any person, he any person from in from pupils, any person will, if reading Quran with some mistakes, my student will, I want my students will tell them what's your mistake, in which letter. Alhamdulillah,
Mm.
I am a teacher from some years. Alhamdulillah, expert teacher.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, I am listening from any place, on my family, on my with my friends, in inviting any person, any, if any person, any child, any student are reading Quran. Also my wife, also my wife's student reading Quran with some mistakes, I inform them, oh stop my
Mm-hmm.
student, you are mistaking in this word, it's not place of this word, you are reading wrong, please correct them, what's correct, this correct. Alhamdulillah, uh, I'm not like, I not what's the word, I have not vocabulary of English, some, but I am not sitting careful with relaxing when I listen they are reading Quran wrong. I am disturbing. I disturb from uh, from them because they are reading Quran wrong.
Mm.
After telling them, after correcting them, I relax. It's my nature,
Mm-hmm.
because it's my life. Okay, I want this this training. I want to my every student, also you, also for you. I will do to, inshallah, expert teacher. Okay, please.
Okay.
It's exercise. How? Exercise, kickboxing training, blocking in
You do it many times.
yeah, many times, many months, many years. But I want no, I don't want teaching you in some years. No, I want teach to you, practicing to you, giving sometimes 20 time, 30 time, 40 time read one letter. After that you will expert teacher.
Mm.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
alhamdulillah, you are a expert beginner now. I know, I am a teacher. I understand my every student, what's which student, which level. I a teacher understand.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, alhamdulillah, you are an expert beginner now, I feel.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Please continue from the,
From where?
from the tha, green the.
Okay. Zwa, fata zwa. Zwa, kasra zwi. Zwa, damma zu. Zwa, zwi zu. Zuz, zu, zwi zwa. Zwa.
Whistle sound is not allowed in three letters, in these three letters.
What
Zzz.
sound?
Whistle sound is not allowed. Which whistle sound? Zzz. S. It's
Zwa.
whistle sound. Zwa. Zwa. No. Zwa. Tip of your tongue. Upper middle to teeth tip. Okay. Soft reading. Tha, la, la. First picture. Focus. In first picture, I send you before 1-2 minutes. First picture. Tip of your tongue, throat picture. Follow that. Yeah. Don't
Zwa.
ignore that. Yeah. Shape of your
Zwa.
mouth, throat, and tongue shape. Copy that picture. Yeah.
Let me look at it.
Remember that. Don't
Zwa.
forget and don't ignore that reading style, throat style. Copy that
Zwa.
reading style. Tha,
Zwa.
thal, lwa.
Zwa. 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 I can't put my tongue to my teeth and say zwa.
Is required practice, exercise. It's not hard. It's very easy, but for you,
Zwa.
it's new thing. No issue.
Zwa. 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 Zwa.
Can I convey my message to you correctly
Mhm.
now?
Mhm. Mhm. Yes.
with some mistakes in English language, I think. What you feel?
Hold on, teacher. Hold on. What'd you say about it? I put clothes in there. I don't know why. Hello?
Yeah. What you feel about
You,
my English language? Can I convey it to you my message completely, correctly? You understand?
mm-hmm. I understand.
What your feedback to my about my English now?
I like your English. You just have some words you have to correct. Like your verb tense.